Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I won a trip for the 2022 Chess Olympiad in Chennai in India. First of all, I would like to thank God, my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, because it was a real miracle that I managed to win a trip for the Chess Olympiad, because there were 517,661 entries or participation, like you prefer. Basically, in 2020, FID organized the Checkmate Coronavirus project because there were no chess tournament in real life. So I would like to thank FID for organizing these tournaments online. So how it works, basically, for a full month, there were tournaments, online tournaments every day on the big chess website like Lichess, Chess.com, Feed Online Arena, and Chess24. There were a total of 2,762 tournaments, and for a whole month, there were tournaments. Everyone can win prizes. Basically, there were 800 souvenirs. The souvenirs are t-shirts, mugs, cap, notepad, notebooks, were online chess lessons by a Grandmaster, GM, 586 prize, and also 50 mini matches against a top GM, like top 14 the world. The first prize, the best prize, is 64 because there are 64 squares on the chessboard. 64 invitation to the Chess Olympiad. We organized it in 2020, but there was COVID in 2020, so the Chess Olympiad was cancelled in 2020. We postponed it for 2021, but it was also cancelled in 2021 because there was still COVID in the world. Because the pandemic was still strong, it was scheduled in 2022 for Moscow in Russia, but because of a war between Russia and Ukraine, it was also cancelled in Russia. So it was cancelled in 2020, 2021, and 2022 in Russia, Moscow. Now it is going to be in Chennai, India. So how I won, basically how it works, you play online on the chess website, thechess.com. I was playing every day for a whole month on the major websites. You win a ticket by playing a ton of chess games. So you win a ticket. In the ticket there may or may not be prizes. So how it works, you play online games in the chess tournaments, Checkmate Coronavirus, on the big website, chess.com, chess24, and so on. You may or may not win prizes. You have to play a certain amount of games online in the tournaments, and you may get some prizes. There was at least 530,000 entries, 120,000 unique participants, because someone may participate in more than one tournament, maybe 4 or 5, and there was at least 140 countries. A lot of strong title players, top GMs like Ding Liren, Anish Giri, Wang Hao, Peter Svidler, David Navarra, and women's world champions Hu Yifan, Alexandra Kostyniuk, Stefanova, Tan Zhongyi were among many chess professionals who played in these tournaments. You can see on the website. I put link in the description. In the first few weeks, I was the person who won the most amount of tickets because I played the most amounts of tournaments and games. Then there are the names of the winners on the websites. You can see all the names. These are for the mini matches against top GMs. The invitation for the Chess Olympiad, it is not in Moscow, it is in Chennai 2022. So I had to wait 2 years to claim my prize. There is also an article on chess.com, but you can read. Put all these links in the description. And how they announce the winners, you can type on the website and see the names of the winners. The names of the winners were announced on Feed YouTube channel live. So a top grandmaster like Nepo, also others like Anish Giri. My nickname, my pseudo, was announced by two-time winner of the candidates, Jan Nepomniachtchi, and I was very happy. Okay, basically, I won, and I won in the last weeks. So basically, how you win the trip, you just have to play a ton of games like an addict, and at some point the hard work will pay and you will win prizes. So at some point you will win prizes like souvenirs, just sessions with GM, play against top GM, and if you try hard like me, you will win a trip to the Chess Olympiad, and that's how I won a Chess Olympiad trip 2022 to Chennai, India. They pay the hotel and air ticket. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. You can also watch my other videos. See you guys later. Bye.